Hello everyone, this is Greg Sayre. I'm the Vice President of Communications for PointStreak.com. This is a demonstration of version 1 of our PointStreak system, our content management system. And this demo is intended to show sales staff and other people what sort of features you get with PointStreak sites, and to give a little bit of an illustration of how you could go about doing a sales demonstration. This is the website you'd go to log into the PointStreak site system. At the bottom of the page there is a login, so you'd click here and that would get you to the login screen. Now I'm not going to use this particular website. I'm going to go to actually a development site, so ignore this for now. Pretend we're on that last link and I'm just going to log into the system. Because a lot of sales reps are using this, you may have to reset this demo site. To do so, you just click on the reset demo and it's going to clear everything from the last demonstration and give you a blank slate to work from. Step 3, we're going to go to the edit mode. This goes to another screen that tells you some user information and also has access to edit website, preview the public website, a sitemap, and site overview. For this demonstration we're going to focus on editing the website to show some of the features it can do. Along the top you can see there's a light gray bar here. We're going to go first to My Sites. This will return you to the area that we're just at, should you ever need to go back to the sort of main internal menu. Account settings is where the user can change their particular user information. And of course logout is where they log out of the system. Here you can see there's an orange bar beneath the gray bar, and this gives more features to the user. You can see we have an edit mode, public mode, edit news page, manage categories, and a drop down of pages. We'll get to these in a minute. And you can see on every web page that a user adds, they can disable a page, meaning that it won't be visible from the public, or they can enable a page. So I'll just quickly switch between. We're in the edit mode. Now I'm going to switch to the public mode. And you can see a bunch of these links, like this these edit links and links that allow you to move content around are no longer visible. This is what the public would see when they're on a client's website. The green bars are actual content bars. This is where the client, as an administrator, could go in and add content to each page. We're going to go through these in a few minutes. The orange bars in the page are the actual content blocks. So this is where you can put in text, images. You can reorder these content blocks, and you can see this green box with a slash through it is the edit box. That'll actually bring up the page elements to edit. And of course you can delete information, so I'm just going to go and delete this little welcome message. Alright, on to step 4, adding some basic pages to the system. Basically in PointStreak sites there's 3 levels of navigation that you can the user can add. There's a top level page, a second level page, and a third level page. So we're going to go through those one by one. So first, click on basic page. Now we're going to put in page title here. So you can see the page I just added has been added to the top level navigation. Now we're going to add a level 2 page. This is on the left hand side. You can see here we have the page we just added, the top level page. Beneath that are the level 2 pages. So let's go ahead and add a page there. And finally, level 3, you can see below the level 2 navigation we have another new page. Click there to add a third level. We can also add pages to the footer. This is useful for stuff like legal information, privacy policy, contact us. Okay, now I'll quickly show you how you can edit a page. Say we want to edit this contact page. Then you'd click in the green box with a slash. That's the universal edit symbol. Maybe we want to make this contact info instead. So it's very easy for a user to edit any page information. It's quite intuitive. Step 5, we're going to add some link pages. We'll go back to our top level navigation bar, click on link. Instead, we're going to put an internal link, which is a link within the PSIsites CMS system. External link is outside. We're going to do an internal. We're going to link the page, this link to skating departments. Give it some text name. Similar process to add an external link. You click on New, select Link. Now we're going to choose the external link, put in the URL, and the name of the link. New window means that when the user clicks on it, it'll open up in a new browser window, as opposed to just going within the default window. And of course, like everything on the site, everything is very easily editable. So if we want to go and edit this link, we can go in here and update it. Alright, so let's check out what we've done in public mode. Remember, right now everything we see here is disabled. This page is not viewable to the public. If we want to see what the public would see, we could switch to public mode, get a little preview of what the site would look like. Here's our skating department information we added. Here's the external link that you can see opens up a new window. So now might be a good time, if you're talking to a customer, ask them if they think it's easy to edit information or anything about the interface that they find confusing, or if they find it clear. Step 7, reordering navigation links and how to delete a page. We're going to just show that very quickly. It's quite easy to reorder navigation link. If we want to move locker room to the left, we'd click on this little left arrow. You can see now it has 2 little arrows. So if you want to go left again, you'd click one more. If you ever want to delete a page, it's quite easy to delete a page. Say I want to delete contact info, I'd click on the little red X to delete. However, we'll see the system is going to complain to us. It will complain that we can't delete the page because there's child pages beneath that page. So if this is to protect customers from deleting large amounts of data with one click. So if they want to delete this navigational top navigational page, they would have to delete each child page beneath. Deleting John Smith here. Step 8, enabling your pages. You can see here in the select page to edit drop-down menu, all our pages are in red, which means they're disabled. So if we want to enable a page, we'll just click on page enabled, and now that site, or that page I should say, is publicly viewable to the public. And if we look again in the drop-down menu, that link is in green and the rest are in red. Step 9,